This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on PC. To begin, you'll need to select a reliable Android emulator. These programs create a virtual Android environment directly on your computer, allowing you to run mobile games and apps. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, each offering unique features and performance. Consider your computer's specifications when making your selection for the best experience. Once you've chosen your emulator, navigate to its official website and download the installer. The installation process is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. After installation, launch the emulator and you'll be guided to sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you'll find Clash Royale. With your Google account linked, open the Google Play Store within the emulator, just as you would on a mobile device. Use the search bar to find Clash Royale and then click the Install button. The game will download and install automatically. Once complete, you can launch Clash Royale directly from the emulator's home screen and start playing on your computer's larger display. To enhance your gameplay, take a moment to optimize your emulator settings. Adjusting performance options, like allocating more RAM or CPU cores, can significantly improve smoothness. Crucially, configure keyboard mapping to assign specific keys for deploying cards and abilities, offering far more precise control than touch. Utilize your mouse for quick targeting and strategic placements, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.